Problem. Solution. Pop. Whoa! Hey, as an affiliate marketer, I am sure that one of your #1 goals is to leverage your time and effort so that you produce more results. Having good systems and processes will help you leverage and produce amazing results without looking like this. Hey, as an affiliate marketer, have you ever experienced any of these? Let's check out video #1, password issues. What did I put it in? Last pass? One pass? Yeah, what did I do with it? Did I leave it in my text file? Damn. Does that look like you, that you can't find your affiliate partner logins? Okay, what about video #5, who you registered with? Bet that's not you either. What about video #3? Check this one out.
Looks like a tornado. They don't call them that anymore. Tornado, they don't call them that anymore.
Oops, wrong video. That's for a communication course I'm producing at the moment. So that's the problem. It's really great that you're still sitting here and watching. You're obviously enjoying it. You might have seen in some of my other videos that I have a secret hand signal. When to give you a little tip to hit the like button. Watch out in the video to see if you can spot that secret hand signal. And while I still have you sitting here captivated with your nose to the screen, this channel is all about getting to the top and staying at the top as an affiliate marketer. I produce a great mix of inspiring content, business content, and tech for affiliate marketers. So if you love those sort of things, you're in the right place. Yoo-hoo! Okay, let me spill the beans. The solution is Affyboy.com. And the great thing is that #1, it's free for all its core features. And #2, it's built for affiliate marketers by affiliate marketers. How cool is that? Yoo-hoo! I got bored during the early coronavirus lockups, so I taught myself web programming. Hey, don't worry. I've been programming since I was 15 years old. Yes, 15. We used to have disk drives holding 40 meg that were the size of a heavy load family washing machine today. So no worries, you're in good hands. So you're now in really safe hands. I've got a great team of developers now looking after Affyboy.com for you, which is really awesome. Now, if you think for some reason that Affyboy.com is a little bit sexist, we also have Affygirl.com coming very soon. Yahoo! So what are you waiting for? Shoo, 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 shoo. Go and sign up. Go and have some fun. Go and play with it now. Yahoo! So you're still here. Superb. Hey, why don't you go watch this video over here? It's all about DNS. Hey, DNS is not that exciting, I get that. But as an affiliate marketer, you really must know this stuff. So go watch the video now and enjoy it. Catch you in the next one. Yoo-hoo!